What's up guys, welcome back to a video. Today is called Nelson HD. Today we're testing an original Yorkie bar. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Nestlin. So let's get it open. So that's what it looks like. That's what the Yorkie bar looks like. So yeah. Smell test. Smells like chocolate. It's a 4 out of 10. No smell taste test. This is 2 parts, so give it one more taste test. So the taste test. Good. So, yeah, 9 out of 10. Very good. Almost at 10. Very good. So yeah, like and subscribe. See you guys next time for another video. Bye.